So Neha, I'd like to start with you.
Hi everyone, it's just great to be here. It's probably the only place where you can, only event where it's legitimate to actually yawn. And that's what I was doing. Because if you're yawning sitting over here, you can just go there and it's like the best thing ever. But I was hoping you didn't ask me that question first because I don't want to set the bar too high or too low. But it's how it's going to come. I'm just going to be honest. And I'd be like a 4.
Alright, that's pretty good.
Or a 3.5 actually.
Alright.
Less.
And how do you cope up with stress?
By passing out. I'm just like, if this is
that's what we're discussing
too stressful or
today.
if this is getting too hectic for me, the first thing I do is try and throw my phone far away. And then that stresses me out, and then I go and look for my phone. And then when I find my phone again, it stresses me out even more. So, and then I'm just like, you know what? I'm going to let everything go, and I'm just going to pass out. There was this amazing film that came out just now called Wonder Woman, and there's this scene, the first time she actually interacts with a guy because she's from, a completely different island and they haven't really seen men or civilization. And he keeps looking for his watch and she's just like, she asks such an innocent and interesting question, which is so simple. And she's like, how can something so tiny actually rule your life? Or how can you let that rule your life? And for me, I think the most stressful thing about, even if sleep helps me get rid of my stress, the most stressful thing in my life is to wake up to an alarm. Like, nothing stresses me out more than that. So, like I said, we're just, at every level, we're slaves to something or a gadget or something else, except when we're actually passed out and sleeping. That's the only relaxed or most amazing time for you.
All right. Mahima, what about you? What's your score on a scale of 1 to 10 on stress?
Today?
No, in life, generally.
Yeah, so for the last 4 years, it's been 10.
Okay, you're the perfect candidate for this.
Yeah. Just to give you an idea, I landed from Agra, I got ready, I did my own hair. It's difficult, okay, the men, I want to tell you, to wash it and to blow dry it and to straighten it. And then I did my makeup in the car. And I was half ready, I was in my chappals, so if you go and see the car, it has bathroom chappals and everything. So I got ready and I have a flight to catch to America and I have not packed at 2 o'clock. So while I'm talking about how one should relax, I'm actually very stressed, so I'm 10. What de-stresses me is shopping. I was just telling her, everything calls out to me, like this mattress is telling me, buy me, buy me. I want to buy it for my mother because she doesn't keep very well and I think it's wonderful. I just stay worried about her oxygen levels, her heart rate, her blood pressure. And right now I'm stressed out because I'm going to be away for a month and this is absolutely wonderful. This is something I want to get for her. So knowing and being in control is so much better and less stressful. Okay. So Magni Flex is, thank you so much for getting this to India.
Great. But what is the question? Can you?
Should I repeat?
Yes, could you please stand up and keep it short and clear? Tell us clearly what you want to
The
ask.
question is to Neha and Mahima.
Yes.
What are the 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or associate yourself with a brand?
Sorry, could you
Should
please
I repeat?
that?
Should I repeat?
Yes,
The question is to Neha and Mahima.
Yes, yes.
What are the 3 things they look into whenever they become a part of any brand or associate
All right, got that.
themselves with?
Neha and Mahima, that's for you. He wants to know what are the 3 things that you look into or assess before you get associated with a brand?
I think, I'm sorry we made you repeat the question so many times. I think it was just
No problem.
facing the other way. I think the most important thing definitely is an association in the sense that do you relate to the brand and does the brand relate to you? I think as far as Magniflex is concerned, it's great. We're just not talking about mattresses or it's not something to do with home decor, but it's got everything to do with lifestyle, it's got everything to do with health, with fitness. So yeah, I see, as far as I'm concerned, I wouldn't be able to speak for anyone else. There's a huge amount of relatability. Secondly, most importantly, would you use this brand even if you weren't on stage talking about it or far away somewhere or in a poster endorsing it? The answer to that should always be a yes. I would definitely use the brand. I would definitely use Magnaflex once I knew about it, once I study about it. That's the second thing. And thirdly, are you selling people the right pitch? Are you talking about quality? Are you giving them what the brand is giving? And are you delivering as much as they say they are? Because, you know, at the end of the day...
Being a judge on so many reality shows where the kids are involved, what's your take on that?
No, I didn't understand the first part of the tweet.
He says, humble request to all the authorities to urgently ban all reality show involving children.
Reality shows involving children.
Yes, it's actually destroying them emotionally and their purity.
I think, you know, it's different. It's a bit of a competitive world, and I have to stand up for everything that I endorse. I have been a judge on a kids' comedy show, and the most important thing is that one is, we know as authorities what happens. Maybe sometimes it's an overkill, and I respect what is said in the tweet, but more importantly, you know, there is a flip side to it, what Sujit is talking about. The other side is the fact that these kids are looked after, they're sent to school, they get, you know, for that 2 weeks or 3 weeks that they're in a part of a certain program when they're on TV, they get tutored by their teachers in their own private environment. And secondly, I feel like it gives them confidence, it gives them a stage to perform, and it gives them direction, maybe 10 years too early in life. But hey, if somebody at the age of 9 or at the age of 12 realizes that they want to become an actor, there's no harm if there is a platform or a stage provided to them by really big GEC channels. But yes, at the same time, I'm a firm believer in education. And whatever your dream is, you make sure you complete your education and then take it forward.
Mahima, what's your take on this?
Okay, that should be the last question because I think we're running out of time. I've been getting... Okay, that will be the last.
Seriously, this is the last one.
Okay, one quick answer.
I don't know about the industry, where they've tried to keep the regional films out is what I saw. But me personally, for me, the tax has just gone up. So I don't know who's going to be happy about paying more taxes. I'm not. 15% service tax was good enough for me. Now it's 18%. So I don't know how the industry is going to be. The regional films are exempted, but it's definitely more taxes for me. Great.
जिस मैट्रेस पे सोते हैं तो आपके लिए, आपकी नींद के लिए कितना मतलब कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है उसका, मतलब अगर बहुत बढ़िया मैट्रेस है आपको उतनी अच्छी नींद आएगी, और जब आप उठेंगे तो आपकी बॉडी में वो एक्स और पेन्स नहीं होंगे. एंड अभी मैं थोड़ी देर पहले यही बात कर रही थी कि बहुत बार जब हम लोग बहुत खूबसूरत से होटल में जाते हैं तो वहाँ के जब बेड पे सोते हैं तो बहुत कमाल की नींद आती है. तो दैट इज़ बिकॉज उनकी जो बेडिंग्स होते हैं, मैट्रेसेस होते हैं, पिलोज़ होते हैं, वो बहुत हाई क्वालिटी के होते हैं. तो यहाँ पे भी जो लॉन्च हो रहे हैं मैट्रेस, वो यही समझाने के लिए कि आपको अच्छी नींद चाहिए, और फिर आपको कोई अगर इश्यूज़ हैं जैसे बैक प्रॉब्लम है तो उसके लिए कौन सा मैट्रेस, सब के लिए अलग अलग टाइप का मैट्रेस की ज़रूरत होती है. तो वो सब इनके पास हैं. एंड यही अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए हमने ये इवेंट किया है. उस पर डिस्कशन होगा कि लोग इतने स्ट्रेस्ड क्यों रहते हैं, और मेरे ख्याल से मैट्रेस में इन्वेस्ट करना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. बिकॉज लोग कहते हैं कि आपकी आधी ज़िंदगी आप सोते हुए गुजारते हैं, तो उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करना आई थिंक इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर हेल्थ, फॉर गुड स्लीप. वी इन्वेस्ट सो मच इन बाइंग अ कार, बट आई थिंक जिस पे आप इतना समय बिताते हैं सिर्फ सोने के लिए नहीं. आजकल तो लोग बैठ के लैपटॉप पे काम करते हैं, बिस्तर पे, टेलीविज़न इतने घंटों देखते हैं बेड पे से. सो आई थिंक इट मेक्स फॉर अ वेरी वेरी इंटेलिजेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट कि आप एक बहुत बढ़िया गुड क्वालिटी मैट्रेस ज़रूर अपने मतलब घर में लाएं. एंड It's also, I think, a very beautiful item to gift somebody, so
Personally,
that they get a good night's sleep always.
personally, how relieve your stress as personally?
मैं पर्सनली स्ट्रेस लीव कैसे करती हूँ वो डिपेंड करता है, मतलब फिजिकल स्ट्रेस है कि इमोशनल लोकेशन शूट. आई लाइक टू स्लीप अ लॉट. मुझे अपनी नींद बहुत पसंद है, सो आई स्लीप अ लॉट अगर मुझे समय मिल जाए तो.
Thank you so much.
आई थिंक ज़्यादा मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होता है अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन से. सडनली व्हेन यू थिंक एवरीथिंग इज़ गोइंग फाइन एंड यू सडनली चेक अ मैसेज एंड यू लाइक ये या हुआ नहीं या फिर ये करना है और दिस पर्सन इज नॉट गेटिंग इन टच. आई फील लाइक द वन थिंग दैट आई डू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम माई मोबाइल फ़ोन. क्योंकि जब भी मैं छुट्टी की भी बात करती हूँ मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ कि मुझे कोई ऐसी जगह पे जाना है जहाँ पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सो सकूँ और जहाँ मेरा फ़ोन ना काम करे. सो आई थिंक द टू थिंग्स दैट आई डू टू रिलीव स्ट्रेस, वन इज़ get rid of my phone, the other one is sleep really well.
You really feel that you really go through what kind of a mattress is it actually, वैसे really?
I have to be honest, I have not used the Magni Smart Tech, but I've used Magniflex mattresses. और क्योंकि मैं एक, I've been a customer, consumer, whatever you'd like to call me, and it has a technology where you feel better. काफ़ी लोगों को यहाँ पे शायद पता नहीं होता, पर हम जब लड़कियाँ इतनी हाई हील्स पहन के घूमती हैं तो बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे आवर फीट आल्सो स्वेल अप एंड वी लाइक देयर वाज अ टाइम आई यूज्ड टू कीप पिलोज underneath my feet and sleep, but now Magniflex has the technology. It knows what arch, what body form. I use the most basic mattress, but I'm telling you, if you use the right mattress, your sleep changes. It really does.
Okay, what's your fitness mantra? मैं अगर बात करूँ, आप हमेशा एक्टिव हैं, हमेशा, मतलब इंडस्ट्री की बात करूँ या वेब सीरीज या कुछ भी, आप हमेशा एक्टिव हैं इंडस्ट्री में. What is your fitness mantra, मैम?
वैसे मैंने कोई वेब सीरीज अभी तक की नहीं, पर अगर आपने देखा है मुझे किसी वेब सीरीज में तो वो अलग बात है. पर माई फिटनेस मंत्र इज वेरी सिंपल. एज सून एज आई गेट अप, ऐसा नहीं है कि सुबह 7 बजे उठ के एक्सरसाइज करनी है, पर इफ़ माई वर्क स्टार्ट्स एट 1 o'clock in the afternoon, then I do a -3 hours, I get up, I go work out and then I start my work. अगर मेरा काम 9 बजे से शुरू हो रहा है तो मेरा दिन 6 बजे शुरू होता है. So every day, like even the doctor said, 1 घंटा मैं ज़रूर एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ मिनिमम. Sometimes I even do 2 workouts and it's got nothing to do with क्योंकि आप इंडस्ट्री में हैं. Even when I didn't think that कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगी, I was always into sports, I was always into athletics. I think एक फौजी होने के नाते lifestyle भी अलग होती है, so we grow up differently. But yes, fitness is very important. It's very scary not to be fit.
Being in the film industry, do you feel really you get time for proper sleep? In fact, like, because working hours are very odd.
No, I think working hours is ज़्यादा, it's your ability to say no. I didn't think I had that, but now I've become a little more selfish कि यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. If it comes in the way of my sleep, or if another commitment, or if it's not work कि मतलब shoot के अलावा कहीं और जाना है, and if I know that I'm going to lose my sleep over it, I definitely choose a good night's rest. क्योंकि अगर अगले दिन shoot हो तो I don't go out at all. But yeah, if I know that ठीक है अगले दिन लेट उठ सकते हैं, then maybe I do step out.
What about the next project?
Okay. मेरी सुलू है,
तुम्हारी
सुलू, the tribute to Sridevi. We can throw some more light on that.
I don't think I can throw any light on that just yet. All I can say is the film comes out on the 1st of December, and it's been amazing working with Vidya. And rest once the promo is out. Thank you.